Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.